SkillsMatch is a new resource for prospective, new, current, or returning IVCC students. SkillsMatch can help you discover your skills and explore career and educational recommendations. With the adult learner in mind, this tool helps you find what skills you already have from previous work experience, education, and more. Navigate to ivcc.edu/adult. In the top section here, click on SkillsMatch. This landing page has a resume optimizer, a link to career services, and additional information about what SkillsMatch is. When you get into SkillsMatch, you have the option of creating a login. While that's not required, it is suggested because with the login, you can review the information at a later date. From here, you have the option of finding opportunities based on your skills, which is a tailored approach, or start exploring opportunities now, which is no tailoring. We are going to find opportunities based on your skills. Now you have a choice to explore new career paths, level up in my career, find a job, or learn and explore. We will go ahead and explore new career paths. This is where you'll enter your education level. So there's high school or equivalent, some college, certificate, associate's degree, bachelor's, etc. We're going to go ahead and click associate's degree, and then you type in the category. So we're going to type in business. And then for the degree status, it's completed, in progress, or on hold. We'll go ahead and mark that it is in progress and add our education. We'll continue at the home page here. You'll go ahead and click back on Buy My Education. This is how it brings up your skills. So let's say that you want to learn budgeting and accounts payable, expense reports, but you have detail orientation. You want strategic planning, but you have great verbal and organizational skills. So this is where you can keep navigating through and adding skills. You can also extract it from your resume. So you can upload that from your LinkedIn profile, upload a resume, or just copy and paste. And I did get a resume example off of the internet, so we're just going to go ahead and paste that in here. So if you scroll down to the bottom, there's an extract skills. So from your resume, it's showing different skills that it thinks that you have, or that you maybe might want, that you can put in here. Next, you can add skills by job title. So let's put in customer service. Say you worked at a call center. And you can go in here and say, I have customer service, I want to learn sales, I'm great with Microsoft Office. You can add them all in if you want. I want leadership, I have time management, I have data entry. We'll just go ahead and save and return, but as you can see, you can keep adding skills. You can add them by category. So from here, there's a drop down. You can look, let's say, under Office and Administrative Services. And then it gives some more ideas of things that you might have or want. So you can just keep navigating through here and add more skills. Okay, you can also add it by a name. Let's say you knew a specific name of a skill, but you couldn't find it. For example, you can add, writing in there. Maybe you've got some professional writing, or maybe you've written some headlines, or technical writing. You can add all that in and save and return. Let's say that we're done adding skills. It gives you one last opportunity to say, are you sure you don't have any of these? So you can done adding skills, and then there's different options. It'll show you the career areas that are matched to you, and you can click on these for additional information. It shows the education, the programs, and the courses at IVCC based on skills that you want or skills that you have. You can also explore job postings. In here, you can enter several locations. It's by city and state. And you can also filter by certain companies or certain skills. And lastly, you can go back and look at your skills again.